Do you want to quickly explore the tables in your database without needing to write a single query? In our last video, we saw how the IDE can help us speed up queries. Let's use a couple of these tricks to check out the best restaurant locations serving seafood. We can see functions like expanding the column names from the star wildcard and letting the IDE complete the join statement for us. These queries are definitely faster to write. But what if I want to be lazy? Is there a way for me to get out of querying altogether? Sure is. With the IDE, you can get to know your database without having to write any code at all. For example, we can use quick documentation to see the table DDL statement and top 10 rows. This is a great start, but I want to really start exploring my data. Not a problem. Simply select the table you want to have a look at and press F4 to open the data editor. In order to find those best seafood restaurants that we were looking at earlier, we can use the filtering and sorting pane. We can type our where clause here to filter the table to only seafood restaurants. And here, we can add in our order by to get the best rated ones. Actually, this still feels like too much work. What about ordering the table simply by clicking the column that we want to use for sorting? 1 click for ascending and 2 for descending. If the table view is feeling a bit too big, we can also hide some columns. To hide multiple columns, open the columns list and press space over every column you don't want to see. Okay, this is definitely a lot easier. And don't worry, we didn't forget about exploring table joins. To find those restaurant locations with the best seafood, we can press Command down on highlighted rows, which will take us to all of the rows that join up to them in other tables. How about something even more advanced? What about full text search on all fields in a table in one go? Just press Command F to change our filtering and sorting pane into a text search. Apart from being able to do simple string matching, we can also use advanced options like case sensitivity, whole word matching, or regex matching. We can also filter the table to only the matching rows. Not enough for you? Well, you can also do full text search across your entire schema or even the entire database. As you can see, you also have a range of options here to make your search as broad or targeted as you like. You can see that the IDE has found the string seafood in 3 tables. Let's have a look at some recipes that have matched our search. This opens another data editor, which contains only those rows that have seafood in one of the fields. We can play around with these results just as with the other data editors, doing further filtering, sorting, or joining. With the IDE, database exploration is only a few clicks of a button away.